Today we are making Turkish coffee chocolate mousse. It serves 6 people and is ready in about 3 hours, including chilling. Bold coffee meets silky chocolate for a luxurious dessert with a true Turkish touch. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 300 milliliters of water. We will use 50 milliliters to bloom the gelatin and 250 milliliters to brew the coffee. 20 grams of finely ground Turkish coffee. This gives the mousse its deep, authentic flavor. 40 grams of granulated sugar, to sweeten the coffee. 200 grams of dark chocolate, between 60 and 70% cocoa, for a rich base. 500 milliliters of heavy cream. We will heat 200 milliliters and whip the remaining 300 milliliters. 7 grams of powdered gelatin to set the mousse perfectly. 5 milliliters of vanilla extract, to round out the chocolate and coffee. 1 gram of fine salt to enhance the flavors. 40 grams of crushed pistachios for a crunchy Turkish finish. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. From the 300 milliliters of water, add 50 milliliters to a small bowl, sprinkle in 7 grams of powdered gelatin, and let it bloom for 5 minutes. In a cezve or a small pot, combine the remaining 250 milliliters of water, 20 grams of finely ground Turkish coffee, and 40 grams of sugar. Bring it to a gentle boil until the foam rises, take it off the heat, repeat once, then let it rest for 2 minutes. Slowly pour to collect 150 milliliters of clear coffee, leaving the grounds behind. Chop 200 grams of dark chocolate and place the pieces into a large heat-proof mixing bowl. In a small saucepan, heat 200 milliliters of heavy cream over medium heat until it steams with tiny bubbles at the edges, about 2 to 3 minutes. Pour the hot cream over the chopped chocolate and let it rest for 1 minute. Whisk the mixture until smooth and glossy. Then whisk in 150 milliliters of the hot Turkish coffee, 5 milliliters of vanilla extract, and 1 gram of fine salt until everything is fully combined. Move the bloomed gelatin into a small saucepan and warm it over low heat just until fully melted and fluid, about 30 seconds. Whisk the melted gelatin into the warm chocolate coffee base until it is completely dissolved. Let the chocolate base cool at room temperature, stirring every few minutes, until it is lukewarm and slightly thickened, about 15 minutes. In a chilled bowl, whip the remaining 300 milliliters of heavy cream until it reaches soft peaks. Fold 1/3 of the whipped cream into the chocolate base to lighten it. Gently fold in the remaining whipped cream until no streaks remain and the mousse is smooth and airy. Spoon the mousse into 6 small glasses, divide it evenly, and tap each glass lightly to level the tops. Refrigerate the glasses until fully set, for at least 2 hours. Before serving, top the mousse with 40 grams of crushed pistachios, dividing them evenly among the glasses. Serve the mousse cold and enjoy the aroma of Turkish coffee in every bite. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. That is our Turkish coffee chocolate mousse, chilled and luxurious. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more delicious recipes. That is our pistachio saffron malai kulfi, creamy and refreshing. If you liked this video, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more recipes. See you next time.